What if you could bake bakery-style bread and fluffy cakes without spending a fortune? Bread emoji. Today, I'm revealing the top 7 best inexpensive stand mixers that deliver power, performance, and value. You'll discover budget-friendly picks that actually work. Stay till the end, and grab your favorite through the links in the description. At number 7 is Fohere Wire Whip Stand Mixer. Did you know most budget mixers fail exactly when the dough gets tough? That's where the Fohere Wire Whip Stand Mixer surprised me. In our top 7 best inexpensive stand mixer lineup, this one feels thoughtfully engineered, not cheaply assembled. The double dough hook actually mimics hand kneading and cuts mixing time almost in half. If you've struggled with sticky bread dough or weak motors overheating, this solves that stress with a pure copper motor and automatic temperature shutoff. It's powerful, yet impressively quiet, under 70 decibels, so your kitchen stays calm. The 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for family baking, and the 6 speeds plus pulse give real control, from pizza dough to whipped cream. Compared to other entry models on our list with single hooks, this feels more stable and efficient. It's not dishwasher friendly for the splash guard, that's a minor downside. But for home bakers wanting power without overspending, this is a smart, confidence-boosting choice I genuinely recommend. On number 6 is Kraftsman All-Metal Stand Mixer. What if I told you a budget mixer could feel like a professional bakery machine? The Kraftsman All-Metal Stand Mixer genuinely shocked me. In our carefully selected top 7 best inexpensive stand mixer lineup, this one stands out for its die-cast aluminum body and direct current pure copper motor that keeps power steady even when kneading dense sourdough. No sudden slowdowns. No frustrating wobble. That alone brings peace of mind. The 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl handles big batches easily, while the flexible double-edged paddle scrapes every inch clean, saving time and effort. Compared to lighter plastic models on our list, this feels more durable and stable, though it is slightly heavier. The lower noise level, around 68 decibels at top speed, makes early morning baking stress-free. Add the front power hub for future attachments and you get long-term value. If you bake often and want strength without overspending, this is a confident, smart investment. At number 5 is Honinst Dough Hook Stand Mixer. Here's a bold question. Can a budget stand mixer actually handle serious bread dough without shaking your entire counter? The Honinst Dough Hook Stand Mixer surprised me. In our carefully selected top 7 best inexpensive stand mixer lineup, this model earns attention with its pure copper motor and 10-speed control that gives real flexibility, not just numbers on a dial. The 6.5 quart bowl is generous, perfect for family-sized batches, and the 3-dimensional planetary mixing really does mimic hand mixing for smoother texture. If you've worried about noisy, overheating machines, this one runs under 60 decibels and includes overheating protection, giving you relief and confidence. Compared to heavier metal models on our list, it is lighter but still stable thanks to anti-slip suction feet. It is not ultra-premium, but for everyday baking it delivers dependable results. For beginners or growing home bakers, this feels like a smart, reassuring investment. At number 4 is Aifeel Whisk and Beater Stand Mixer. What if your stand mixer could make bread dough and homemade ice cream without buying extra machines? That is exactly why the Aifeel Whisk and Beater Stand Mixer grabbed my attention in our top 7 best inexpensive stand mixer lineup. Most budget mixers focus only on baking, but this one adds a 2-quart ice cream bowl, and that changes the game. The 6.5 quart stainless steel bowl handles cakes and bread easily, while the 7 speeds plus dedicated ice cream function give real control. Its 700-watt direct current motor stays powerful yet surprisingly quiet at around 55 decibels, which feels calm and reassuring. Compared to simpler models on our list, this offers more versatility, though it is slightly bulkier because of the extra bowl. Anti-slip suction cups keep it stable, reducing that annoying counter movement. If you love experimenting beyond basic baking, this feels like a smart, joyful and on number 3 is Smeg Retro Stand Mixer. Can a stand mixer be a statement piece and still perform like a serious baking machine? The Smeg Retro Stand Mixer proves it can. In our top 7 best inexpensive stand mixer discussion, this one sparks debate because it blends iconic design with reliable planetary mixing action that thoroughly covers the entire bowl. The aluminum flat beater handles dense cake batter smoothly, while the stainless steel beater with silicone edges scrapes soft mixtures clean without constant stopping. Whipping cream feels effortless, and pizza dough comes together beautifully with the sturdy dough hook. Compared to more budget-focused models on our list, you are paying slightly more for aesthetics, but you also gain durability and refined engineering. It is easy to wipe clean and feels solid on the counter, offering peace of mind during heavy mixing. If you value style and consistent performance, this is a confident choice, though strict budget buyers may prefer simpler options. At number 2 is Cuisinart Quarts Stand Mixer. Have you ever stopped mixing just to scrape flour off your kitchen walls? That frustration is exactly why the Cuisinart Quarts Stand Mixer stands out in our top 7 best inexpensive stand mixer lineup. With a 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl and a 500-watt motor, it delivers steady, confident power for cookies, bread dough, and whipped cream. The 12-speed control gives precise adjustment, which serious home bakers truly appreciate. Its die-cast metal construction feels solid and stable, offering that reassuring sense of durability many budget mixers lack. The tilt-back head and splash guard with pour spout keep your workspace clean and stress-free. Compared to lighter plastic models we reviewed, this feels more premium, though slightly heavier. Optional attachments like pasta rollers and ice cream maker expand creativity. If you want dependable performance with peace of mind, this is a smart, long-term choice. Now moving to the last one is Bella 3.5 Quarts Stand Mixer. What if one compact mixer could replace both your hand mixer and bulky countertop machine? The Bella 3.5 Quarts Stand Mixer does exactly that, and it earns its place in our top 7 best inexpensive stand mixer lineup for smart versatility alone. Small kitchens often struggle with space, and this 2-in-1 design solves that instantly. Switch from hand mode to stand mode in seconds. Simple, efficient, stress-free. The 3.5 quart bowl is ideal for small batches, and suction feet keep it steady, giving that reassuring stability beginners need. I love the built-in viewing window, no more stopping to check texture. Compared to larger 5-quart models on our list, it is less powerful for heavy bread dough, but perfect for cakes, pancakes, and light mixing. Cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts. If you are a beginner or have limited space, this is a smart, budget-friendly choice worth considering. After comparing performance, durability, versatility, and value, the clear winner is the Cuisinart Quarts Stand Mixer. It offers the perfect balance of power and reliability with its 500-watt motor, 5.5 quart bowl, and 12 precise speeds. Unlike lighter budget models, it feels solid and stable, giving real confidence during heavy mixing. You also get long-term flexibility with optional attachments. If you want dependable performance, cleaner mixing, and peace of mind without overspending, this is the smartest investment. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best inexpensive stand mixer. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.